So this is a review of the OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner. My wife and I recently purchased this because we're trying to do a lot more greens in our diet, and I was actually pretty impressed with this product. I love the way it works. Well, this is how it comes in the package. Take the plastic off, and it comes in a three-piece set. This little tab here that you see in the video is just what locks during shipping. This is your pump handle here. This is what you would end up pushing to spin the salad spinner. So I'm going to take the lid off and separate it to show you exactly the different components. There's an inner lid right here that actually comes off, and the salad pump handle fits and locks into that. And this is your bowl. This is the bowl where you're going to put all your fresh herbs or vegetables and fruits that you're going to spin and wash. So once you put the lid back on and you push the pump handle and lock it, it will spin access underneath, as you can see here. The bowl is spinning perfectly, as you can see, throwing all the water on the outside of that bowl between the plastic and the actual slotted bowl that you see inside. So once you unlock it and you take it out, you'll notice all the water will be at the bottom of the bowl and your fruit will be a lot drier than it was and washed. And honestly, I don't give a lot of reviews, but I would have to definitely give this one a 5-star based on my use of it.